Hello everyone, my name is Lindsay Kirkpatrick and I'm going to be presenting my take on this week's case from Harvard Business Review called Starbucks Loyalty Reigns. Before we dive into Starbucks loyalty program, we must first understand what a loyalty program is and how it works. Loyalty programs or schemes are efforts made by the business or retailer to communicate with the customer in order to increase sales and loyalty to the business. A loyalty program, first and foremost, must offer the customer a reward for choosing their brand, and this reward must be powerful enough to influence their buying behavior. Furthermore, levels of customer loyalty should be established with differentiating rewards offered at various levels. Loyalty programs exist in a wide variety of businesses and could be something as simple as a punch card or email subscription. Jumping to the 21st century, we can look at the Starbucks mobile app to show that 1, they have a program that influences consumer behavior, and 2, they have different statuses for their loyalty members: welcome status, green status, and gold status. Businesses thrive on loyalty in order to keep a constant stream of revenue, while customers simultaneously benefit from incentives and perks the business may offer in exchange. A loyalty program is a symbiotic relationship that allows for information to flow between businesses and consumer. The more information and data the loyalty program can collect from the consumer, the better the consumer can be served and rewarded. In the beginning, Starbucks did not have a loyalty program and started as a small, single-location coffee shop in Seattle, Washington. Starbucks was founded in 1971 with their first location in the historic Pike Place Market. Howard Schultz joined the Starbucks team in 1982 as the marketing and retail operations manager with a novel idea to transform Starbucks into the ultimate cafe experience. Starbucks would be a place that was not home or work, but a separate third space for people to gather and lounge with a freshly brewed coffee, much like an Italian coffee house. As time went on, Starbucks continued to gain traction after acquiring brands like Ethos Water, Tazo Tea, and a few other smaller companies, and even created a trademark drink, the Frappuccino. In 2008, Howard Schultz became CEO of Starbucks and began to make some changes. The My Starbucks Rewards loyalty card was then created in 2009, and in 2011, the first mobile app was created. In 2012, the app got a serious upgrade after a generous investment in a startup point-of-sale business called Square. Customers could now redeem stars to advance their status and could even mobile pay for drinks ahead of time because of this technology. Today, members are shown many advertisements for new drinks and snacks and are also sent emails about weekly and daily specials with new incentives and challenges to earn extra stars to boost their status. Users can even click on Starbucks' Spotify playlist within the app. All of these features help captivate their target audience and allows Starbucks access to a cross-sectional share of information about the customer. However, I believe without the order ahead feature, Starbucks would not be nearly as successful. Personally, I choose Starbucks for my morning coffee over other coffee companies because I can order it from my fingertips and pick it up on the go, so I'm never late for work. Starbucks has all the key characteristics of a well-maintained loyalty program because they are highly engaged with their audience because of their early adoption of technology. They offer powerful rewards in return for loyalty and also offer different levels of loyalty to customers. Starbucks is now becoming a great learning tool for marketing firms and students like us because of its great success and its ability to move upward as technology becomes more advanced. There is no possible way a regular loyalty card could compete with something this sophisticated, and Starbucks proves that point perfectly. In the Harvard Business Review case, it states that Starbucks is beating PayPal and Apple Pay in total number of transactions and is looking to expand their loyalty program beyond just Starbucks, which I think is an incredibly wise decision. I think the future of loyalty programs is to integrate and diversify with other brands and industries, which could offer a huge reward to customers and could give companies a greater understanding of their customer base. Partnerships like Amazon and Whole Foods are paving the way for this idea, and customers are responding very well. I think Starbucks is in a great position right now and does not need to delve into creating a social media platform or another application at all. They have incredible brand recognition worldwide, and their customers do plenty of marketing for them just by buying their drinks and posting their own pictures. I think Starbucks has incredible potential for growth, and I'm interested to see what new mergers and acquisitions take place in the future. Thank you all so much for looking at my slideshow.